In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install Google Photos app in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match would appear and click on Open to continue. Now in a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. Once set, okay, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there an icon like this. Please click on it, and eventually you can see this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to locate with photos, click on it, and in that moment you would be redirected to the Google Photos. So here you can check the photos, updates, albums, documents, and more. And in order to download and install it as an application, all you need to do is you need to navigate with the upper right side again, but this time click on the three dots, scroll down and locate your cursor to cast save and share, and go with install page as application. Once done, this window would ask you to confirm your action. Click on install, and in that way, wait until any window would appear. And this would mean that you have successfully installed it. Once good, close the window as well as this one. And if you would check it here at the desktop, you can check that a shortcut has been created Google Photos. And if you would navigate here at the button search bar and type for photos, you can see that the Google Photos has been placed as an app. Okay, so from here you will receive a notification where your machine would ask you if you would like to pin it to taskbar. You can click on yes if you would like to, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Okay, so that's it. You have just successfully installed the Google Photos as an application here in your Windows. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.